installation process is really important. So part of the formation of ScreenTech was to find installers with trade background, and the trades need the trades have the experience and the skills to be able to install a system such as the screening system, but they also love the support that we've been able to provide their customers with the knowledge of a proven product and proven installation methods. The roofers and tradies that are using the ScreenTech system know the value of using a quality product. You know, the warranties are proven, and the variation of products can provide a choice for tradies to be able to ensure their customers have a product that can provide a solution to their needs. The network of tradies that we've been able to hook up with have just come to us by predominantly word of mouth. Right across Australia, we've been able to find some great partners who can offer the service in just about any part of Australia. ScreenTech's increasing network of partners include roofers, builders, tradies, just across the board. The support that they get from a company that has been able to develop products for more than 20 years, and to give them the confidence that they can go ahead and use quality products is, I think, is very comforting for them. And so our increasing team or installation providers around Australia can allow us to be able to get the highest quality product available to all parts of Australia. And you know, with the wide range of materials that we use, the widest range of installation methods and accessories, ensures that you know, everybody can get hold of it if needed, and you know, and hopefully, you know, wherever people are, they can be certain that they're going to get a quality product, and it's just a proven product, so that they don't have to be concerned about, you know, where it's been, where it's coming from. It is proven, and it has been proven for more than 20 years.